This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower the guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-239-78046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The National Disaster Response Force, NDRF, is assisting the Meghalaya Government in evacuating 5 miners who are trapped inside an abandoned coal mine in the East Jaintia Hills. The 5 migrant miners, including 4 from Assam and 1 from Tripura, were trapped inside as water gushed into the mine after a dynamite explosion. Rescuers from the State Disaster Response Force and Fire and Emergency Services team are engaged in the rescue operation, although none of the workers have been traced as yet. Meghalaya yesterday reported 24 deaths from COVID-19 complications, taking the number of fatalities due to the pandemic to 616. The state also registered 532 new cases and 711 more recoveries from the viral disease. The number of active COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya was 6,403 as per latest data. Till yesterday, 4,67,452 persons were vaccinated against COVID-19 across the state. In Manipur, 729 persons were confirmed as COVID-19 positive yesterday, increasing the number of active cases to 9,035. 14 more persons died due to COVID-19 related complications, raising the fatality figure to 839. Also, 622 patients, including 489 in home isolation, recovered from the viral disease. The number of persons vaccinated with Covishield in Manipur was 3,93,496 as per the latest report received yesterday. In Nagaland, 218 fresh cases of COVID-19 added to the state's confirmed caseload to 22,072 yesterday. The state also registered 14 more deaths related to the disease. Also, 94 more positive patients recovered from the infection. In a bid to address the prevailing low levels of awareness around COVID-19 vaccine and misinformation and myths causing hesitancy, Dr. Madhulika Jonathan, Chief of the United Nations Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF's Office for Assam and Northeast, engaged with Mr. Metbah Lyngdoh, Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, over video conference yesterday. The Speaker agreed to collaborate with the UNICEF on a COVID Warriors public awareness campaign and engage all members of Legislative Assembly in the same. The Assam police have arrested 24 miscreants, including the main conspirator accused of attacking a doctor at a COVID care center in Hojai district. The Assam Medical Service Association boycotted the outdoor patient services across the state yesterday, protesting the attack on the doctor. The association has also demanded for the deployment of armed security personnel in all healthcare facilities in the state. The unruly mob attacked a doctor and paramedics of a COVID care center at Udali following the death of a patient. Police swung into action after Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma instructed them to nab the culprits. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh interacted with leaders of different religious organizations to create more awareness about COVID-19 among the masses. During the meeting yesterday, it was resolved that religious bodies and leaders should take proactive roles in spreading awareness. The Chief Minister said that the government has been putting in all possible efforts to ensure that nobody dies of COVID-19 in the state due to shortage of medicine, oxygen equipment and manpower. Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Hek has informed that the state would receive substantial vaccine doses by the 15th of this month, pointing out that there is shortage of vaccines for both 18 plus and 45 plus age categories. The Health Minister hoped that the problem would ease once the state receives its quota of vaccines. He informed that the Union Health Minister has assured to send COVID-19 vaccines to Meghalaya at the earliest. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.